Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're diving into the full process of how to activate Google Fi eSIM on your iPhone in 2025. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to get started with Google Fi without inserting a physical SIM card, this guide is exactly what you need. First, make sure your iPhone is compatible. If you're using an iPhone XS or newer and it's carrier unlocked, you're good to go. Next, head over to the Google Fi website and sign up. While signing up, choose the eSIM option. If you already have an account, log in and select the option to switch to eSIM under your device settings. Once that's done, download the Google Fi app from the App Store. Open it, log in with your Google account, and start the setup. Choose to activate via eSIM when prompted, then follow the on-screen instructions to download your plan. Your iPhone will then begin installing the eSIM profile. You might be asked to label your new line. You can name it anything like Google Fi or keep it default. Once the installation is complete, your device will connect to the network automatically. And just like that, you're all set. Your iPhone now runs on Google Fi with eSIM activated. No need to deal with physical cards. Just pure digital convenience.